So graph of linear equation is always a straight line, right? A linear polynomial we have discussed in the previous class. Linear polynomial is a straight line. So graph of a linear equation will be a straight line. How do we create the graph? From the standard form. From the standard form, we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what are the solution of ax plus by plus c? Different solution for x and y, like 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, like that, right? So this can be represented in the coordinate plane, correct? So when an equation is represented graphically, it is a straight line that may or may not cut the coordinate axis. It is not necessary that it has to cut both the coordinate axis. We'll look into that, okay? So this line is the solution of the linear equation in two variables. Very simple. So how to find the graph? Very simple. How do we do? Let's take an example. Since the solution of linear equation to variable is a pair of numbers x, y, we can represent the solution in a coordinate plane. Consider the equation 2x plus y is equal to 6. Okay. So if I put 0 here, what is my y? If I put 0 here, 2 into 0, 0, y is equal to 6. So if I put 0, y is equal to 6, right? Next, if I put 3, what would happen? 3 to the 6, y will become 0, right? So like that, you can try with different values. Okay, you can try with 1. If I put 1 in x place, I'll get 2. Y is equal to 6 minus 2. How much is it? 4. So 1 and 4, right? So then next one, we have 2 and 2. If you put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, what do we get? Yes, it will become 6. You can compare with different values, right? Put one value, find the other. That is how we do. So we got the different values. That is 0, 6, 3, 0, 1, 4, 2, 2, right? Okay. After this, we need to draw the linear graph. How do we draw the linear graph? We have these points 0, 6, 3, 0, 1, 4, 2, 2. We plot it, but all we need is actually just 2 points. To draw the line, you only need 2 points, correct? Now that is the correct logic. If you have 2 end points, you can draw a line. Any 2 points, you can draw a straight line, correct? You have 2 points, you can draw a straight line. So the same logic applies here. You only need 2 points. You only need 2 points, right, to draw it. So any 2 points, join it and extend it. That line is PQ. Why did we take more than 2 points? Very simple. Let's say we draw with 0, 6 and 3, 0. We got these 2 points. We join the line and extend it. 1, 4, you can check. You can check whether your answer is correct. 2, 2, you can check whether your answer is correct. To check whether that is also your method and your way is correct, try to take more than 2 points. Okay. So you drew the line. Every point on this line is a solution. Every point on this line is a solution to the linear equation in two variables, right? They have infinitely many solutions. Now, how to check whether points satisfy the equation or not? Suppose sometimes they will give you the equation, right? They'll give you like, we have 2x plus y is equal to 6. Check whether 4, minus 2 lies on the line, or it is a solution. It's either lying on the line or it's a solution. So what do? We'll put 4 minus 2 in the equation. We'll get 2 into 4 minus 2, you'll get 6. So which is equal to RHS. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is a solution. It satisfies the equation. What do we say? It satisfies the equation. That is a keyword. It satisfies the equation. Okay. That means if you put in this value, it satisfies the equation. That is the logic. Okay. So 4, minus 2 is what? It is a solution of 2x plus y, right? So that point 4, minus 2 will be on that point or on that line PQ which we drawn before. Okay. You can check here again 4, minus 2. See here. This is 4, minus 2. It will be on the line 4, minus 2. That's how it is. Okay. So now what do we observe? All the points, let's say P, Q on the line PQ gives a solution of 2x plus y equal to 6. All the solution of 2x plus y is equal to 6 lie on the line PQ. Points which are not the solution of 2x plus y is equal to 6 will not lie on the line PQ, right? So what do we understand? Simple logic. Every point on the line will be a solution to the equation. Every solution of the equation will be a point on the line. That's what you have to understand.